Good day everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to update a record in our table using SQL statement in our MySQL database. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you very much for all the support in our channel. Let's get started. So here I have several records in our table. Our table is user that has a database that is demo. So here I have a particular record ID 6 Juliana Ray Pomperada with the age of 5. Let's say for example we want to update the age of Juliana from 5, we want to update it to 6. So using SQL statement, we can go here in the SQL menu and then we simply issue this command: update user the table, set age equals 6, where ID equals 6. The ID number of Juliana is 6. So here we have here a SQL query: update user that the table age is 6, from 5 we will update to 6 where ID is 6 of Juliana Ray Pomperada. So after we have done, we go to the go button to update the record. So here, if the query is successfully executed, meaning we have the right command, so let us view the record in our table. Go to browse. So here the ID is 6, Juliana Ray Pomperada. Previously her age is 5, now it is already 6. That's easy and simple on how to update a record in SQL using SQL statement in MySQL database. Before we end, I would like to say thank you very much for all the support in watching this video tutorial. I hope that you have learned something new on every video tutorials that I posted in my YouTube channel. If you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Bye bye for now.